one go from me where they create. One of my lovely, beautiful sister for UK, now I create that group. So now she add me, join that very group, Juliet Asemota. So that phone where she take add me, now my phone when I dey use before, but that phone I hardly go there. So when I dey for WhatsApp for that place, I dey just come there like maybe once in a week or once in 2 weeks to come even just check if I get any business message for that place. Because that phone, I don't convert some to my business line when I tell they do my taxi business. So as I can see, I'm say they add me for there. So I can't like follow the comments. So now there I can't get idea about to open them. So I can't reach out to her. You know. So then I can't say waiting they go on, waiting they stop. So she also can like, you know, update me with the whole thing. So as I say, I can say this one a very, very beautiful idea. Even I don't know this girl, but as if say they don't already add me to the group, and this babe also, now Naija babe, now Benin babe, I say I can't get some interest also. Now make me also call you just to see how the things they go. Because me also, I don't want to be part of anything when you know when it not make sense at all. I don't want make I add myself to join those kind of things. Because of tomorrow, may somebody knock on the talk, say, ask me join those people where they go scam some Benin people, going to use one go from me, blah, blah, blah. So when she explained, send me also some of the documentations where she take on all these things. I say, man, this one is a very beautiful idea. So what I just told her was this. I say, I just lost my mom also. Now I lost my mom, man, for US. You know, for most people also, we don't lose their relative for that part of the world. They go know how expensive it is to carry that corpse back home. You understand? So, but thank God that my mom also, who was a very great woman, who don't born children also, who are very capable by the special grace of God, that if certain things like this happen, that these children also go physically take care of that kind of responsibility, you know. But then, even me, myself, I was not also in the opinion of, let's take my mother back home. Because me, I'm an advocacy of, if you dare for this abroad, when you get families for this abroad, anything happen to you, this person needs to be buried at that very place where the family they live, they put in terms of future references, so that when the kids then grow, they go only feed a bad flower, go they put for their papa or their mama grief. You know, that was always it for me. But I have other siblings also who also said, no. Okay, Ijima, blah. So looking at how my mother also still live her life and how she take grow, I don't know whether you understand, all the children also, they don't grow finish. I key onto it and say, okay, my younger ones, we are going to bring mama corpse back home. You understand? So because of my own way of thinking, that make me also reason like that. You see, with that one, now children, they try to package this thing. So when my sister Glam was also telling me that they had plans to take the girl home, this is just what I told her. I said, for me, I'm not an advocacy of that. Doesn't mean that if I want to contribute to it, that I will not do it. You understand? So they said they had one Naira account and also with this GoFundMe. But I told her that I want to be more involved on the area of trying to help the children of Sharon.
Now, things like this, and yes, in fact, you don't even do the entertainment industry. You know, this Sharon just not be waiting anybody plan for now, waiting touch the whole industry. Everybody I saw in large, Benin at large. Both people will not even know her, where she there alive. The people who can't even know her, where she don't die, and everything. It touched a lot of people. And in the other way around, you see this good for me. Our sister done go almost 2 weeks where she die now, and the family already agreed, so they want to bring them back home. Maybe they can't give them the fitting barrier. There's whether people they take them 2 ways, whether they say the fitting barrier, people they think say okay maybe they want to carry dance and everything. No. When anybody will give, not be that one, it's me. Everybody where you die, you want make you lay them to rest. Where it be say even if not 30 years, 20 years, 50 years to come, they'll still go to see the place where they bury and put. Now very nice thing. You call it the fitting barrier. But you see, you bring up your platform so. And as I join this call now, we don't get about 600 or something where they watch us. I believe say the whole drama where it don't happen since where this girl don't die. It don't do. Because to me, none of them is helping each other. I'll tell you the truth. Nobody they help each other for this whole drama. If anybody want to come out and help, every day you come out on live video, beg, if not 300 people they watch you, just say, okay, these 300 people are beg, more put €5. Another person will do live video. We get now The people where they do live video don't even plenty pass people where get normal Facebook for those about face. Both the content creator, both people where they are. Every day they pass the comments. If you come out to talk your own, 500 wash you, you beg. Maybe out of that 500 will wash you, maybe God fit touch like 200 minds. They go bring them. The issue of coming here, this one call me to come and drag this one call me to come and drag the family member, this one call me to come and drag the this one. Nobody's helping each other. And I'm waiting they slow this go for me and they slow this donation for our sister. Normal person they die when they don't know. We'll create group. We will create group for the raise 50 million. We will create group for the raise 60 million. I'm not lying, Skimmy.
Yes, of course, I know now.
So doctor say, okay, what it don't go the wall. So I believe this whole drama is okay. Don't reach. Now even they piss a lot of people off. We be so nobody want even know what to do anymore. Everybody's pain. But we have to keep it at this time. And let's talk about the death. Now they don't even admit that they bring that one. Okay, the more this thing they trade, the more the thing they go. If person talk, they'll say this one talk, this one talk. You know, gone are those days where person go they fear to talk. We, Saga, now your head, nothing. If you come out for me and talk rubbish, it's your business. Because I believe say, nothing we want to talk about now, better party. I'm not feeding you are not feeding me. But the truth has to be told. This one will just come, you go talk, you go blog up. Everybody. And the worst part, most of them have husband in their houses. Their husband not going to talk, say, please, this one not do. If he happens to our family, how it will be? Forget wife. If it happens to our family, how it will be? No. They'll just come, they drag. This one will come, this one will come. This one will come, this one will come. This one will come, this one will come. You think you are doing help? You are not helping anybody. You are not looking for money for yourself. Me don't be part. Who you want come out, come carry a video, come out, come analyze, take out. Now your business with that. I'm good at them. I'm born that. We don't pass that stage. You don't get it. You want to do me. Somebody, people just talk up. Every day, everybody they come out different. Let's stop it and start talking about this donation. Come out and say, okay, please, beg. We have Benin peoples. We have rich men in Benin all over the world. When we say, okay, I beg. Our crew, everybody just donate 20.
I think that area where you move to, so network is bad there. If I say you go to your former place where you sit down because network not today here. If I say your network they wait for that place where you did. If I go back to that same place where you first did before. Okay, I think that place could do better. I'm not sure say we still hear you. I know they hear you again now. Now check your video, check your this thing, whether you touch and you go back. So that was Destiny Ebagua, Ambassador Destiny Ebagua. Also, thank you for that, your voice. I know you will come back again. Okay. So at least let's come together. Still no voice, still no voice. Still no voice, no voice. I don't know why. Check your this thing now. Are you guys hearing him? Maybe not only me one, not the hear him. I don't know if you guys are hearing him. Just say you are hearing him. Sandy Victor, good evening to you. So please, if you are just joining this video, help us share this video. Please help us. Just share it so that people go see him even after we don't do this video, so that people also go see what thing they happen here. Okay, you are not hearing him. Okay, I think he has to come back again. I beg, make una just help us share. Mona just help us share this video even after we don't finish this video, so that a lot of people also go still watch this video. How come now? Are you guys hearing me? Okay. Yes, your volume
Can you hear
don't
me?
move now. Yeah.
Okay. So, like we talk, I beg. So, whatever don't transpire, whatever this whole talk we don't do about this same girl we die, our sister will die, it is okay for now. Make I put her, it is due. Now, let's face the reality. How do we give our sister a befitting burial? How do we raise funds for the case? That is what is more important right now. You see, as two of us do live video today, you will see some idiot, some wish we go call this video, you go down there analyze. One talk the error when you talk for this way, not concern anybody. And you go see some of our gullible followers, some of their gullible followers, some of the stupid followers with their head, they knock, they call inside from inside darkness. Guy, and they say, hey, you want devils, demons.
I just think, say, one of the biggest problem we get is, say, we don't know when to say enough is enough.
At
Just like
all.
you said, I believe at this very moment, whatever has gone also on for the past 2 weeks since we lost our sister,
It's
let's
okay.
just say enough is enough. Let's just all
Yes.
come together right now to just do one common thing, just one thing right now. Make all of us just talk now, say, we don't fight, oh, I don't fight you, you don't fight me, I don't talk my own, you don't talk your own. But now, for the sake of our sister, Sharon Okpamen, let's just do the right thing for
Of
this
course.
girl, children.
Of course.
Let's give her a befitting burial. At least if now only this one we go fit do as friends. Who call Sharon our friend? Let's
Skimmy.
just come
Skimmy.
together. Yeah.
Skimmy, you are in that group, right?
Yeah.
Where they open. When they open that group, where this girl just new die, where this whole year saga, where they say that they do this one, do you know how many people was in that group? Do you know immediately they started doing all these things? A lot of people left that group. You are aware, right?
Okay, I didn't know that.
Yeah, of course, a
No,
lot of people are in that
no,
group now.
no. When they had me join that group, I know Queen entered it because you know, say now that my old phone. That
Yes.
my phone. I know they go there. Maybe once in 2 weeks, I will just still go there, go check if I get any business messages there.
Yes.
That's why they go
So,
there. So it
so
was very like,
a lot of people left. A lot of people that matters left because nobody want to be in a place where they say they are akugbeye. Who want to do
and
that?
that is so
Nobody.
sad. That is so sad.
All
We
we
have a
need now
lot
is
of
for
Edo
everybody.
potential Edos.
Of course, now, my brother. Do you know how many people have reached out to me in America?
Ah,
You know my cruise now. They are all waiting.
my
They are all waiting.
brother, we have to keep up the bet. At least with your presence, also my presence, and some of our few brothers and sisters, just to at least reach out. I will personally also reach out
And
to some
another
of these
thing,
social
see,
media people
and
also.
another thing I want to say here, my brother, we don't need to reach out to, we don't talk about all here. Make
Yeah.
everybody carry their own thing. For me, I have a lot, you know, my friends, I have a lot of people who have been reaching out to me. Do you know what they want to hear? They don't want to hear from any social media presenter. Sharon has a family. Omegbera, Omegbiye. They want somebody from the family to speak and come
Okay.
and tell the world, this is what we want. Gavin
Okay.
Makiahu, look
Okay.
at what we have. Those are what we want. We don't want to believe in one social media presenter coming out to come and say, the mother coming, the father coming, blah, 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 and that. Who want to listen to that? They
Okay.
have a family. They have to have their family. Let them bring somebody out to be the spokesperson of the family to come and
Okay.
tell the world what we want. And let
Okay.
everybody put on beyond them and support them. Not one
Okay.
person coming out to come out. No catch your boy run your man, your boy run your friend. That doesn't mean any meeting.
Okay.
Do I come and do I tell where you don't and everything. You are not
Okay.
helping everybody.
Okay. Okay. I think on that, I think I'm going to reach out to Juliet, who is also very close to some of the family. She's close to the mother. If there's somebody there, like you said, I support that, let the person really come. I bet when this GoFundMe actually is what Sharon's friends are doing for
No, no,
for
no, no, no,
Sharon.
no, no,
Uh,
no. See, it's two donation that is going on here. The
yes,
GoFundMe was actually created. Juliet Glam created this GoFundMe for the kids.
yes,
The
for the kids.
GoFundMe is not for the burial.
Yes, yeah,
It was created because of the kids.
yes.
The burial aspect is a different old thing.
Okay,
That's why we have a Nigeria account that they said they bring. But I'll tell you, 60% is still waiting from
okay.
member from the family to
Family.
come and say something.
Okay, I agree with you on that one. I think, like you said, the family member also really have to really come out and also address the general public that
Of
this is
course.
the burial arrangement, this is the cost, and all that. So that people also who wants to support to this very, very dream now who wants to be part of this very thing, where this message is coming from the family. I agree with you.
Exactly.
Yes,
Exactly.
I will reach out to Glam to go to reach out to the mother for them to find one person from their family to be their spokesperson. No,
Because
go the
tomorrow,
general
you
public
know
to
why
know.
it is better from the family. Let me tell you, Skimmy. On a guamakwe, maybe on a anti follow on a guakwe, oga man or hit on a guamakwe, oga man or hit at least let the family come out. I can't mean not the Bami man or to the family, maybe web beno. Man, you know, can we bo? Oh man, yes. No, no, can we bo? So let somebody from the family come out and speak. Sharon has a page. Do the video, even if it's 3 minutes, 4 minutes, post it there.
I think that's what will be the next move right now. You're very right about that. At least they also need to hear from them. It's also possible when in the family, they need you, but you might do understand. It's also possible.
Well,
It's also possible with family or they need you, Bonnie. It might
we
do
manage
understand.
your money.
No, it will maybe. That is why it is very important for them to come and say something.
Exactly. Of course.
What they want.
Yes. Of course.
That's,
Of course.
that one is well noted. I think I think we have to do that. We have to do that.
You get one you get one Yoruba actress wey die one time and everything. You see when they bring her come out, everybody first forget. Now so this one do this one, now so this one do this one, so this one do this one, now so do this one do this one. They all put us together and make sure they did the right thing. If you don't come down, you get into a one come talk. That one, you see what they talk just now, say person will not be person friend. He don't die finish. Now you want to do love. Very imagine. I make a beg the yin. He make a yin. I tell me I will laugh. Ya me ya mom. Only one thing here. Mary by a woman not be me. Oh man, no can give me no mark with me. Go no matter the way piece of cake. Or Mary would not to tell you answer. Oh man, I go for you. Who see I fear? All of it love it. Because it is very okay in life. I mean, Thomas. If anybody hurt you, take it for some time and let go. Because the more you put anybody in your mind, the more you are hindering your progress. You don't even know. A blessing will attend me. You don't know a blessing will attend me. Thomas. There's nobody in this life who has not hurt anybody in one way or the other. So nobody's perfect. Everybody is a sinner. So why would somebody do something, you just say, okay, man, I'm with me for more than 5 years, 10 years, you will not let go. Let go. Don't money forgive it, but you let it go.
Let it go.
The money I do woman, you want to come out to come and say, well, it was my darling, it was my this one, I love you. Fuck you, fake love. Who did you love?
Fake love, no. Fake love. Fake love is just.
Why I love her.
Fake
when
love.
you have this to.
Well, like I said, my brother, in death, we have to just mourn with those that are mourning.
Of
and
course.
we also have to rejoice with the ones that are rejoicing. In the
Rejoicing.
case of Okpamen, like somebody said here, where maybe the family are still grieving and the family are still mourning, where they might not want to appear on a video to come and be appealing for funds and all that.
Skimyah. Let me tell you one thing. Money. Water. If anybody that is money will not send their account out, where you should not be able to come and talk, where the reason why you not send that account labia. If anybody is expecting the mother to come and speak right now, the person is the devil. Yeah. Or anybody who is even expecting to give the woman a sleep. Well, let me tell you, one at your woman or balance of policy. So it will only be an animal or a fool that want to come and give more pain to the mother or to the brother. But I'm on my work there.
They must get somebody. They must get somebody. Yes,
yes, and everything. So anybody that like that, I post there a platform Sharon. I work Benokede. I work Benokede. So we don't expect the brother or the mother to come out to come and speak right now. Who does that?
There must be somebody inside the family.
Yes, of course, somebody from the family.
Right. You can do a short video. We all post it on our platform now.
Of course.
You don't need to do a live video. If you cannot do a live video, you can do a normal video and post it and say if you are the representative of Sharon family and all that.
Yes.
You have the family already, then we can help him post it and share it all around for everybody to see also. I think that's what
do you know where every day I click on the GoFundMe, Every day you click it. It is a shame where Noya Ladian is still in 1,002 something.
Our people are not
Yeah.
really trying. At least by
You,
now,
you,
we should be
you
trending
know the
over
reason.
13, 14,
You
15,000.
know the reason. You know
Wow.
the reason. The reason has because of this dragging. This one coming out to come and do topic. This one coming out to come and do topic. All in the name, I'm happy. Nobody's happy.
So the only help they can give is to join this force of trying
If you want to,
yeah.
if you want to do a really help in this whole issue, come out 3 times on your platform. Start begging for the GoFundMe. Aladana, who will divert somebody will comment and divert it to another people. Who will the best one? As then one no, or one now we are say don't win. You are not helping nobody.
And another thing also I want to say, oh, thank you very much for the star. Somebody gave me another 20 star. My bury the name. So one thing up back and you know that this whole thing just happened right now. If you are doing anything good for me right now, it should be at this very moment when this thing happened. Because once they don't bury Sharon now, after
My
some
brother,
time, everybody will just forget about this
Skimmy.
girl.
Let me tell you one thing. Once I bury again, Nani, it is history. People will even they delete that GoFundMe. I'm telling you, from their page. From their page.
So that is the main reason why we must, anything that we are doing right now, bro, you know, let all of us, even while the families are still trying to
Of
do that,
course,
a
Destiny
family
Bestie
already
no
around where
one
my
talk
brother,
to.
we also, you have a
Who
large
be
platform,
what did
your
this one
wife
talk?
also.
Self love media TV. Of course, Destiny. Bestie no one talk to. I don't understand. Please let me tell you one thing, my dear. Let me actually calm down and say something. Wallahu. Enough is enough. The truth has to be told. Enough is enough, please. A lot of people are actually holding back because of this whole drama that is going on. Now it is not a time to see on our own gunner, on our own gunner, on our own gunner. In the process of doing that, Ededegbe or Timanowu is being there. She's too young for Christ's sake.
It's
I
too young,
beg you
man.
in the name of God. I be bury any now. Master, I be bury any. All it's it depends if they are reduced. All they are reduced a
Of
heart
course.
year, a heart year. The more you stick there, you dragging this one. You are not helping the woman. I beg you in the name of God.
In
I beg
short,
you in the name of God.
it's a very, very sad story, honestly speaking.
The my
Such a
way
young,
donor now. Let me tell you, Skimmy, the Madonna. Just wait in the next 5 hours. You will see somebody start playing it on his platform. I wait
and,
here and we all do analyze, all do analyze it no matter.
well,
The better thing or no, epic,
but if
the better thing epic
no,
is for them to pick out the better thing better because of one for you must have been wrong with the way we feel we handle matter now. The way they handle it, the way beer handle it, the way see handle it, the way dear handle it. Everybody has different way of thinking.
no, they might
So
take it. I can't even the wrong one, but when you are the wrong one, you mean I advocating here, donating for Charon's children.
of
It's
course.
okay. But it should not be on the negative side of it. They must take anything in my the video now. They must take it to at least loud out also the support
And
for
another thing
Sharon's
again,
family.
another thing again that I'm seeing here in the comments. Should people keep asking in different places, where is the father of the kids? People can keep asking that. You know, Benin, like I said, Benin, my boom, we are very, very small. That's why I said Benin is a room and a palo. Benin is a room and a palo. It's just one circle. And truth be told, okay, Eva, and I believe that too is for one person. Obviously, they the person maladia, negbe okpa negbe ni ave aladia negbe ladia newe or we ma or biena, and we are able still ready to take responsibility in the better way we can do. So many people, many things got a lot of people thinking.
Yes, okay, but on that very issue now that you talked about destiny, I think the guy itself is not important at this very moment. You ask me why. No man enough woman they
Baba,
important. Why
no, it's
people
not
are not.
important. The reason why I told you is because any live video that has been done regarding Sharon, you must see one or two, three people saying something like that.
No, but those people saying those type of things, they are just confusionists, my brother. Because at the end of the day, even while this girl was alive, nobody knows the man. So why is
Yeah.
it important for them to want to know a man that they never knew when the girl was still alive?
And that
What are they
okay,
going
so
to
it's
do with
okay.
it? So
It's
for
okay.
me, I believe that it must stay on the concentration of these children, because everybody knows Sharon and these children. People were
Yes.
not interested knowing from Sharon where the one who be now. It was never a conversation between them and Sharon when she was alive. So Domania here do one no na Domon Sharon bien. I'm not take me away Romania bien and you need more.
Uh,
So for me, I believe that we should not do it. All those people in the Bible questioning, those are the confusionists in this social media because imatic was important in that one. Okpamen na to boy the Egbela dia when me Sharon bien na. So be it now. But the major thing is that a woman was lost who died and left 2 young children behind. How do we support this woman who was our friend, who was our actress, who was somebody on the cyber space also that was also making people happy? How do we support this young lady because of the young children not see her in? That should just be our concentration.
okay, Baba. For you, me saying this, I'm right. You saying that, I'm right. Everybody get the own way
Yeah.
they feel. So people, am I so wrong where me more years ago you move one? Am I so wrong where my important? It's two way around. So when me talking me like that, we explain well. So it's okay. You have a beg where I bring it like that. I address it. But the important thing that I'm not saying, please. We want somebody from the family
Yes.
to come and tell us
That one is
what
very
they
important.
want
Yes.
us to do,
Yes.
what they want the Benin to do,
Yes. They will
what they are
do that.
doing. You
Yeah.
should do 3-4 minutes video, post it on Siren's platform. That is what we now need.
That
We
is
don't want to hear from they say, who's not the
yeah.
family.
They will do that. That one we just talk so and a key point be that one and I 101 support that. Even when I was talking to Glam, I think it was day before yesterday. I think we also talked about that somebody also from the family should be able at least to be part of this very thing that we are doing right now. You understand? I think she only have a direct contact with her mom. So I don't know if she's relating to any member of the family who is not that deeply in this sorrow like Sharon's mother and that his brother, who at least can be part of this whole thing. Now you have a friend
For me, I don't think from that on that anything that has to do with the burial arrangements should be discussed with the mother. Yes, for now, it's okay.
Okay.
Or anything that has to do with the burial of Sharon should not be discussed with the mother for now. It should be
Okay.
kept out of the mother. The brother knows their uncle from the mother side and from the father side. I believe the brother should be in the right position, or somebody else
Okay.
from the family should be in the right position to discuss anything that has to do with the funeral of Sharon,
Okay.
not the mother for
Okay.
now,
Yes, you
please.
are right. You are right because Isn't also will never also be present there now because
Yes.
that one you are also right. Okay, then I don't know if she has the contact of that brother. Maybe I personally also might request also for me to get a direct contact of that brother to see also
Yeah,
how we be
somebody
able to
actually called
find
me
our uncle.
yesterday and said the brother want my number. So
Okay.
I told them to give the brother my number. So maybe I'm expecting his call
Okay.
today. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
somebody reached out to me yesterday that the brother
Okay.
needs my number, and I gave
Okay. So you
I gave them permission to give to the brother
okay.
my number.
So you follow up that one. And since somebody has contacted you that the brother wants to reach out to you, so you get in touch with the brother and let the brother get in touch with you, and let's take it up from there. Huh?
Yeah.
Let's take it up from there. Let's see how we are going to do everything possible by the grace of God to support this family. Any back and you are a philanthropist. You have always been there, been doing it for a lot of people. And I also believe you were your wife and this girl were also in the same movie industry. I
Yeah.
believe also your wife also will know her also as a
Of course.
person.
Of course.
So I think we will do this very, very often, my brother. We will really appeal to the general public to see how the donation is going to be coming because I think Glam said that they will be burying her on the 21st. That they will be bringing her corpse out on the 21st of
Okay,
September in Italy. Yeah.
Skimmy. This is what I have been saying. I don't want to be hearing Glam saying Glam is a friend. It's not a family.
So, but she's the
Hold on,
only contact that
hold
we
on.
have right now. Now
No,
I don't have
Glam is
any
not.
contact of
Baba,
the family now.
Glam is not the only contact. Glam, thank you for opening the go for me for the
A
kids, and the
contact
family knows
me
that.
me come when now me ma home now. Your line does still, your voice does still, your this thing does still go down.
Can you hear me now, hello?
Yes, now it's good.
Yes. So now, everybody, not real live video now. We must know one or two who knows the family. It don't have to be glam. Let them reach out to anybody that they know that this is what the Benin want. they want to hear from one of the family to tell us what are the plans. So that this thing, at least not tomorrow is Monday. Before Monday to Friday, let's see how we can be able to get 10 to 15,000 euros.
Okay, but let me ask you a question, Destiny. Where you don't have the contact of his brother right now. Now, you have not spoken to the brother now. You have not spoken to the mother also. But me now, when they talk here, so the only person now I they talk to, now be Glam, who told me that she has a direct communication with the mother, who is also very close to this very disease. So now only person with me know. So now to tell Glam now, say Glam, reach out to the mother. Tell the mother to give us a telephone number of the uncle. But thank God you say you don't get in touch now with the brother. Don't reach out to you. I pray by now, before now till tomorrow, maybe brother go still dambo, he go still jam this very video. Maybe he go reach out to you now. You go not tell him, say, la, uncle who want up by road, now say, don't you have any uncle that we can at least be having this direct contact with? Somebody
Of
right
course.
here just now say, one Sharon uncle there for Radio Emilia. I see that comment
Okay.
just now. Say
Uh-huh.
one Sharon uncle there for it. Like that one, now we dey Radio Emilia. Now we need to also the contact her. Make that one still tell us now, say, he there for radio in our uncle. So, waiting in the burial plans, like people where want travel, go that place, go also pay their last respect also to her. So that all those information also can be also accessible on the cyberspace also. So,
Yeah. Because
I think we will do
this one
that.
will come out on one platform. I'm gonna be explaining when the family is there, they are not talking. Nobody want to hear that anymore. Enough is enough.
Okay. But sometimes also when the families are quiet about this now, some people feels like they can represent. It's just like
My brother, the people. Let me tell you one thing. At this particular time, there are some place where it works. There are some time when it works. At this particular time, has it worked? No, 0/100. Now we
yes,
need the family.
we're going to step up the game now. We're going to
Of
step
course,
up
it
now,
has not
bringing the
worked. So since
family
I'm a
into it.
winner,
Yes.
so let everybody let it slide.
Yes, we will step it up now. We will step it up now, involving the families also into it. That one also, you are very, very right. Like I said, I key also into that. I believe before now till tomorrow ending, we should be able at least to get one of the family member to come and speak also to the general public.
Ah,
You understand?
there are
I
some persons
think we will do that.
on the national I believe to me and women will be, I would say every members of Sharon's family should be proud of her.
Oh yes,
Of course, they should be
oh
proud of
yes,
her.
oh yes, oh yes,
And
oh yes.
we know to boy will not fight in the bear yahoo. They should be proud of her. So I see no reason why the family will be hiding to come
Okay,
and say something. But
somebody here, Evans Osas, where if you want the mom's number, give us the number. Okay, if I ever want the mom's number, it's just to
my brother,
condolence her. It's not to
no,
discuss anything with her.
my
No,
Skimyah, me, I disagree speaking to Mama Sharon.
no,
Yeah,
but no, to
hold on,
condolence her
let
now.
me tell you the
No, but
reason
you
why I
can
disagree.
condolence her now.
Hold on. No, we've talked. That one don't pass now. Don't
Uh,
call her, tell her sorry. For
no,
now,
me, the person they talk. You say if
okay.
I want Sharon's mom's number, if I want the number, not
Because
to go and be
exactly because
discussing
for
these
now,
issues with
my
her.
brother,
No.
talking to her for now, discussing about it, this thing, nobody, you are not helping her. You are only putting more pain in her. So we need somebody from the family, please.
Another Princess Osamudi, another worry talk, I worry ten at her. I worry
Uh-huh.
tell me go carry belle from Nigeria. I have a problem here.
Well, so yeah, I want to go on the shadow be an else get fed along. You are out there. I walk here for along with shadow. So any other time where you go carry better for Nigeria. We are giving the Europe with that. So matter Nigeria. Like America, economic no, only going America, market Nigeria, America.
So
America,
I
don't make
bet,
Nigeria.
but
So that will not be the issue.
yes, okay. Please, I want to advise some of our brothers and sisters also in this part of the world, just a little one. 5 minutes we are gone from here. For most of you who lives in this part of the world, who don't learn how to have debt insurance, and they beg una through this very means right now. Please engage yourself because most
My
times some
God.
people say that they go do debt insurance. Somebody go there and say, you want that?
You want that, God
Nobody know
bless you.
when you want
I'm going
that.
out here.
No.
Get out of Nigeria. Aim out in Nigeria. For anybody who lives in abroad, it is very important to have debt
It's
insurance because you
very
don't know what
important, yes.
will happen tomorrow. Only mommy where we are, where dirty insurance, where we are, that's the mentality not all. Because
Yes,
unless we
yes.
want to level we
Yeah,
want, everybody knows where, hey man, that body you able. Okay, say 15, 20 years, or phone and we give me where you have fair. You want to bring her home and everything. You, my brother, do
nobody.
you know the reason? Do you know somebody called me from America? I don't want to call his name. It's somebody you know that will not donate 3-4 million or donate. Do you know what he told me? Now, Allah will go. Again, I'm like, maybe or now allow very important now because the reason why the marijuana is because we're making very genius. Oh yeah, it's just like when my brother died. You know what I did, Skimyah? Fred, my brother, when he died, I did what I did so that because when my brother died, the boy was just 2 years old. But the other day he came to Nigeria, he was able to go to where I buried the father and put flower because one morning, I believe that's the reason why we are doing it because we don't want to be in the issue like of Ukeke. Like today, I speak to you, Ukeke and Erejiro, nobody can go appoint a Yamion. Nobody. So taking Sharon home, that's the reason why we need the family. We need somebody we can interact with. We need somebody we can hold tomorrow. It's not just bringing our money. Let them do something like 20, 15 years to come. The children will be able to go to where? Because right now, the children will not be able to go with their mother to Nigeria. It's not possible. But by maybe 10, 15 years, they should be able to go to where the mother was buried and put flowers. Those are the reasons why we are taking her home. Not to just go and put it on land ground. In the next 10 years, you cannot find where Sharon was buried. We don't want that. Ukeke and Erejiro today, nobody knows where they bury and put.
This one we talk, so another very, very important length of it. So let's just keep the ball rolling because the more money people can come up with to support this very girl and her family, some of these things can be realized. You understand? So, like I said, una dey for abroad here, una never get death insurance. Nobody say you will fix this state in 90 years or even 100 years while you are paying your death insurance. In case of eventuality, is very, very important. I'm just appealing to the general public. Make una try. Most people where they live for this part of the world, death insurance, because it saves a whole lot of stress for your family, saves a lot of stress for your loved ones. Even when people now, because that's small money that they pay for death insurance now.
Yes, now.
That's small money, not the big money. But
So, like I say,
my
la
entire
wo
family, maybe
Skimmy, the
25
last
euro a
thing,
month.
because immaterial me we're talking about, the last thing I would say before I leave here, please, I beg you in the name of God, let us forget about enmity. Because Agbonana here, you don't know what tomorrow will tell. If anybody wrong you, just let go. Try to, say I'm sorry. I'm sorry, forget. Because I wear, every money I do wound, who do I so, you wanna way you feel like I said, give me what you have to be, be up here, OCC, everywhere. So please, let's learn to forgive one another because
Yeah,
we don't know what tomorrow holds. Because please, I beg you all.
yes.
So thank you all. Give
Thank you
me
very
this
much.
live video. We'll come out after the brother don't talk. We'll come out
Yes.
again and do more video and
Yeah.
change. There will be a lot of changes. So
Okay.
the issue of
Thank
this
you
one
very
coming
much.
out today, how you doing there? Coming out tomorrow, come and say the mother said, the brother said, the sister said, this one, do this one. We don't need that anymore. Enough is enough.
Thank you very
Please,
much,
I
my
beg
brother. I
you all.
appreciate you.
God bless
I
you. Thank
appreciate
you.
you. God bless you.